It's a special show tonight, so we're so glad that you've tuned in. We hope that you'll call us if you have questions. Tonight, we're spotlighting volunteers, attorneys that volunteer their time and their expertise, and they help low-income families who are in a situation and they need legal information and they need legal advice. So, Ken, talk about what we're discussing tonight, the spotlight on volunteer lawyers, and one of our guests, we've got a couple lined up tonight for you, so it's a great episode. But talk about our first guest that you brought on to help answer our callers' questions.
Yeah, well, the first thing I want to do is I want to brag on the lawyers in this area, and Nancy Yarbrough, who's here with us, can do the same. But Jefferson County, the Birmingham area, really has a unique situation that I don't know that you find really across the country at this magnitude. And what we're talking about is the Volunteer Lawyers Program. And Nancy's here. She's going to tell our viewers all about it. Who qualifies? How do you get involved with this program? Because, as I said just a few moments ago, Nancy, we've got a lot of people call, and they're calling here because they're trying to get some answers to some legal questions, and we can't get to everybody. And we're just giving them just a glimpse a lot of times into, how to take that first step. So what you manage and what you do is a lot more in depth. And I'd like for you to start off by talking a little bit about the Volunteer Lawyers Program, talk about what you do day to day, and also thank you for being on the show.
Thank you, Ken, and that's exactly right. What Ken said was that there's so many people in Alabama, and especially in Jefferson County, that just flat out can't afford an attorney, but they have a legal problem that's prohibiting them from being successful in life. And so what the Volunteer Lawyers Program does is that we provide legal help to people who can't afford attorneys. We have more than 500 attorneys in Jefferson County that volunteer with us. So what that means to the callers and people that are watching tonight is that if you can't afford an attorney, does not mean that you are shut out from the legal system. You can get the help that you need to solve the problems that are in front of you so that you can become a productive citizen. And the way that we do it is we have 4 legal clinics a week. Every day of the week except Friday, citizens can come either to the Jefferson County Courthouse, the Domestic Relations Courthouse, or one of several homeless shelters in Birmingham, and they could see a lawyer immediately and get the help that they need to solve their legal problems.